Hi everyone, let me tell you some amazing space facts. The first space facts that did you know that the sun is orbiting? Why is that? Because while our moon's rotating while orbiting us and the planet we're on is rotating while orbiting the sun and the sun is rotating while orbiting the center of the Milky Way. That's so confusing, right? And the other space fact is some people think that the moon and sun are close to the earth. Well, that's wrong, right? You all, if you are a science fact, like you like watching science, but if you don't like watching science, then you don't know this space fact. The, the third one is that some people think that what planet was again? The fourth planet. Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Oh yeah, it was Mars. Some people think that Mars is cold. That's wrong. Mars is hot, but it's not hot. It's definitely cold. It has no atmosphere. His atmosphere is so thin that the heat from the sun going towards it is being bounced off. If it has more atmosphere, then that means it can trap heat. And also, the first planet also is the same. The Mercury is really, really hot. Some people think that it's really hot, but it's cold. Just like Mars, it has no atmosphere, so it doesn't trap light. The other fact is that what was it? Let's. Some people think that the sun's color is yellow. Do you think that's wrong or is it right? Well, that's wrong because the sun is every color. It should be green, orange, or yellow, but the real color of it is white. How is that? When we look at the sun, it seems to be yellow. At at 11, at 1 o'clock, it seems to be yellow, but at sunset, it's orange. Why is that? Because the sun's real color is white, right? But all of the colors would bounce one of the colors when it's 1 o'clock. The light coming towards us, every color, but the only color that reaches us is yellow. So at 1 o'clock, we see that the sun is yellow. But then at 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 sundrop, like the sun is half almost gone, it seems to be orange. Why is that? Because just like that, when it's 1 o'clock, only the color orange would get to our eyes. So that's it. That's the answer why is the sun the color of that. Okay, the other space fact is some people think that Jupiter has a solid ground. Wrong. Those what you see that those color, he has no solid ground. Only a bunch of dust and storms and many more storms. And as you reach towards the center, you can feel his inner layer that is color white. And that's it. And the last space fact is some people think that the Milky Way, what is it again? I forgot. Scientists, this is the last space facts that scientists, but it's not a fact, it's a question from space. This is 2 questions not being answered by scientists. First question is, how was Saturn's ring formed? But there's one answer that they make, but they don't believe that a giant comet getting close is getting close, then break apart, then orbiting him. And I think that this is the answer. Like, I'm thinking it. What is the answer of this? Just like our moon was formed, a comet crushed it, then began orbiting him, then collided, then make the moon. I saw it from Dr. Binocs, but I think that maybe Saturn and the comet went in his inner layer, then flew out to space, then orbiting him, making the rings. I don't think that's the answer, or it's the answer. The other question is, what was it again? Forgot it. Well, anyways, I don't remember what it is. Well, I don't know. And one last fact, people think that all the planets form together themselves. But that's actually wrong. Jupiter did it. How is that? When the sun was formed, it was lonely. Then Jupiter get close to the sun, then going towards the sun. When Saturn was formed, he began going towards Saturn, and all of his pieces from his inner layer formed every single one of the planets. Then the planets were born. Then Uranus and Neptune was born. Then the solar system was completed. So bye. And did you know that Saturn and Jupiter are gas giants? But some people think that they're actually supergiants. Just supergiants. And Uranus and Neptune are ice giants. And other people think that they're actually supergiants again. Yep, again. So bye. So remember to subscribe my video and like. Also, bye.